Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to submit something in Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your class that you need to submit something in. You can either go to classwork. This is going to show you what is due. You have different topics over here sometimes. Your question, that's separate from actually submitting something that your teachers asked you to do. So a question, it's just going to have a question box, and I actually have a different video for that. So if you need to submit a question, you need to go watch that video. This video is for how to turn something in. So for example, I have a template of Tuck Everlasting. You go down here and you can read what to do. You can click on the template that I'd like for you to use, and then once you read all of that, and this is not for everyone, this is just for this specific Tuck Everlasting and how to submit everything. If you need to submit anything, if it's a book report or a book review or something like that, this is how you submit it. So you'll go to View Assignment. Then on this side where it says Add or Create, you're going to add two different things. If you want to go ahead and start typing, this is how you're going to do that. It's going to take you to a Google Doc account. And then you start typing from here. After you're done typing everything up, you can hit Turn In. And it's turned in, and you don't have to worry about it. Now, let's go back and look at something else. Let's say I want to turn a picture in. Say I've taken a picture of my work for Sister Ferguson science class, and I need to somehow figure out how to get that picture on Google Classroom. So, well, there's two things. One, you can submit it from your phone, or you can take the picture and email it to yourself. And once you've emailed it to yourself, you can download that picture to your computer and then add a file. Once you click Add a File, you're going to select from your devices, save it to your desktop. See, I've taken a picture of a worm and I want to upload it. I saved it to a desktop. Come over here, go to Open. Let's move that over. Okay. Then you're going to hit Upload. And then you hit Turn In. So make sure that you turn in your documents, okay? After you do your Google Doc and after you do your picture or so on, you have to hit Turn In. So it turns it in and it reports it to the teacher. You can unsubmit it. So if you don't like your work and you need to fix something, you can hit Unsubmit. And you can exit it. You can exit that. Okay, that's how you submit work for your teacher, such as a picture or a Google Doc, a Google Slide, anything like that. You're going to go here, you're going to select one. For my class, it'll be Google Docs. Or if you want to submit a picture. So next week we'll do our spelling contracts will look a little different, and you're going to actually submit it through this file if you need to upload a picture or something. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know.